to give us your closing remarks. Secretariat, please.
Before we close, Chair, if possible, the LSM would like to make a submission on minutes, on signing of resolutions, the process.
Proceed.
Thank you, Chair. My colleague here had made a presentation on how the signing of resolutions actually does happen. It is important to note that I was recruited by the fund in 2022, and my colleague here correctly stated that I do perform secretariat duties from time to time. I referred to the trust deed on clause 15.8. No, sorry, on 15.5, which states that the board may appoint the secretary to the board who shall have functions as the board deems fit. So when it comes to the signing of the resolutions, on 15.10, it states that the fund secretary shall keep minutes of all meetings of the board and the exercise of the board of all powers and discretions vested in them, and the passing of the resolutions shall be recorded in such minutes. The document certified by the chairperson of the board and the secretary of the board to be a true copy of the resolution of the board shall be sufficient evidence. So going back to the point that I was recruited in 2022, the practice that was in place was that the resolutions are signed by the board chairperson and the vice chairperson to ensure equal representation